How to verify your identity on Venmo step by step. At some point, Venmo will ask you to verify your identity, especially if you want to transfer a large amount to certain features or stay compliant with federal regulations. Here's how to do it step by step. First, open the Venmo app and make sure you're logged in. Tap on the Me tab at the bottom right to open your profile. Then, tap the gear icon in the top right to go into settings. From there, scroll down and tap on Identify Identity Verification. Now, Venmo will guide you through the process. You'll need to enter your legal name, date of birth, and the last four digits of your social security number. In some cases, Venmo might ask for a little more, like a photo of your government issued ID. This could be a driver's license, passport, or another official document. If you're asked to upload one, make sure the photo is clear, valid, and not blurry. Once you have submitted everything, Venmo will usually reveal your info within a few minutes, but it can take up to business days. After your identity is verified, you unlock features like higher transfer limits, access to instant transfers, and business payments. And don't worry, your info is encrypted and handled securely by Venmo. Need help navigating more Venmo settings? Like, follow, and share for more easy walkthroughs just like this.